Hello. In this quick start video, we will be using the no-core, or also known as pocketing function. This function is most useful when you are trying not to drop a slug. So we will burn out all of the material so that there is no slug to be dropped. This is most efficient when you are going to be cutting something very, very small, where it is not very efficient to drop a slug. So we'll get started by creating our profile figure. We'll go to Preparation and Profile Figure, selecting our start hole. And then I will also manually select our lead on position here, and then select our lines and arcs. Okay, we're done there. So now, after we've created our profile figure, we'll create our machining. Once again, we will be using the standard profile machining method. And here, I'm going to go ahead and fill out our workpiece. So I'm going to create a billet. This time it will be a circular billet. And then our diameter is here. Our thickness will be 1 inch. Output file. Everything here looks okay. Checking my numbers, my technology. I'll go ahead and click OK again. Select my profile figure in my standard profile machining function. Go ahead and select my technology as well. Both the way Coreless. Okay, so the first thing that we'll go and select is no core and start hole here. So in order to enable the no core or pocketing, we will need to check on no core pocket first cut. And you will also want to use standard pocketing here. The 3 numbers that the PEPS Opticam software uses to create the path for your pocketing or no core are, the first number is your start hole size right here. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and select this right here as our start hole size. The second number it uses is your step over distance. This is usually half your wire size. You can increase this or decrease this depending on what you need, right? If you see a pattern or run the simulation and you see slivers dropping, you may want to decrease the step over distance so that it creates a tighter pattern which will not drop slivers. If you increase this number, it might drop slivers, but you do cut your part a little bit quicker. Okay. The third number that it uses is actually over in setup. It is your rough cut offset. So pocketing only occurs on the rough cut. This right here uses this number so that it will have enough material left so that it can do your trim passes. Okay, so those are the 3 numbers that the software uses to calculate the best path for no core, also known as pocketing. So here also, when I go to tagging, you can see that all of my tagging options have been grayed out because there is no slug to be dropped. So from here, I can click OK and then click OK again. Then you can see here, this is the best path that the software created to burn out all of the material and not drop a slug. If you have any further questions, please contact us at support@OPTISOLUTIONSUSA.com. Thank you.